Today we got some great news for Noah Gregson and our number 19. We've worked with our friends at TrueTimber, the innovators of the most realistic and undetectable camo designs, and Bass Pro Shops, North America's premier outdoor and conservation company, to bring a new partner to Junior Motorsports, Black Rifle Coffee Company. Black Rifle Coffee is a premium, small batch, roast-to-order coffee company founded by a former Green Beret who is pledged to hire 10,000 veterans over the next 6 years. You'll be able to see Black Rifle Coffee alongside Bass Pro and TrueTimber on Gregson's number 9 Chevy beginning in Daytona in a couple of weeks. And we have Noah and his crew chief Dave Ellens here to unveil the car. Let's show them what we got, guys.